Hello guys, welcome to my new video. This will be a short video. Here I will show you how to review alarm events from your DSC alarm keypad. So for reviewing, I have to trigger some alarm because right now we don't have any alarms, and I will just push my duress button to force duress alarm. Okay, let me disarm it. And to view events, we just need to push *3 and we see the corresponding message. Scroll to view alarm memories. So we are pressing these arrows and scrolling. So zone number 10 was triggered and zone 12. So we had two alarms, two triggered zones, 10 and 12. Pressing pound button to exit menu. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.